Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to review and demo this Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. So if you guys are interested to know the complete tea about this product, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Recently, I came across this Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 Hours Full Coverage Foundation and I was very keen on trying it out because I love their Match Perfection foundation. This is my go-to when I want a very nice light dewy finish makeup base, and this does the job for me perfectly. It stays put on my face for a very long time. So I was really interested in trying it out to see how the finish is, how the coverage is, and that's why I ordered it and received my package today just few hours back, and here I sat down to film a review video for you guys. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a glass bottle like this and you get 30 ml of product inside. Also, this has SPF of 25, so if you're someone who wears foundation on day-to-day basis, you can really pull off this foundation because of its SPF content. This has a very nice pump packaging. I really enjoy foundation when it comes with a very good pump packaging because for me hygiene matters the most. So I'm on Nykaa website and it says liquid foundation, 25 hours, sweat, heat and humidity resistant, transfer proof, infused with hyaluronic and vitamin E, mask resistant, UK's best selling foundation, full coverage. We are all going to see in today's demo, so let's not waste any more time and jump straight into the demo. On the left hand side of my face, I used a foundation brush, and on the right hand side, I used a makeup sponge to see how these both tools perform. While I was blending my foundation with a brush, I could see that the foundation had a very nice lightweight texture. It just melted into my skin, making my skin look very even and seamless. Whatever little bit of blemishes and darkness I had on my skin, it just covered it in one go. Also, it did not leave any kind of streaky marks whatsoever because I generally prefer blending out my foundation with a sponge over brush because I hate when brush leaves those streaky marks and then you have to go with a sponge to blend out those marks, and during that course of time you tend to lose some of the coverage. But with this foundation, it did not leave any kind of marks whatsoever. Also, I went up with the second layer to see how this foundation builds up, and it still builds up like a dream. There was no cakiness, no heavy feeling whatsoever. While I was blending out my foundation on the other side of my face with a beauty sponge, I could see that because the sponge soaks up a lot of product, it gave me a very natural finish, and I did not have any problem with that because any time of the year I prefer sponge over brush, and I really loved that finish. It made my skin look very natural. Also, I could see that whatever blemishes I had, it was lightly covered. So I went with the second layer to the areas where I wanted some coverage, and it blended pretty nicely. It just gave me the coverage I was looking for. So you can easily build up the coverage from a medium to a full to a very full, and it will not make your skin look cakey or heavy whatsoever. So another important claim that the brand has made, that it is completely a mask proof formula. So we are going to test it out today to see exactly whether it is mask proof or not. I have my mask ready and I'm going to wear it and press it around my mouth area to see how exactly the foundation wears off. Now comes the moment of truth. We are going to check whether the foundation is actually a mask proof formula or not. Wow, there is no marks other than my lipstick mark over here. Rather than that, there is no foundation marks to be seen on the mask. So this proves that This is actually a mask proof formula, and I will have no fear of wearing this foundation and wearing a mask to an event or any occasion, having a fear that there will be a demarcation once I remove my mask. So nothing of that sort will happen, and I'm glad about it. So I have swatched this foundation over here just few minutes back. Now we will do a fresh swatch besides it to check whether it oxidizes or not. So I have swatched it here, and just let me blend it out, and you can clearly see that the foundation has got one shade darker. Already the foundation is dark than my actual skin tone, and I have to make it work with a lighter concealer to balance it out, but I think we can all make it work. But if you're of my skin tone, then I would say that go for one shade lighter, that way it will oxidize and come to your exact skin tone. Alright you guys, so here is the moment wherein I'll give you my final thoughts about this foundation. I will share some pros and cons, so let's just jump straight into it. First and foremost point is that this has SPF. Someday I might forget to wear a sunscreen in a rush. Because I'm using this foundation, I will not have to worry that my skin will get damaged, because this has SPF of 25. I can head out of the door, do my duties, and I will be all sorted. Second point is that this has a lightweight finish, and I would totally agree with it, because I have layered this foundation twice on each side of my face, and my face still looks very even and very relaxed, very radiant. I cannot feel any kind of cakiness or heaviness on my skin. I have used both powder and cream products today over the top, and everything just blended effortlessly. I had no problems whatsoever. Everything just went on smoothly, and I got a very nice even finish foundation looking skin. Third thing is this has a full coverage finish. I would totally agree to that. If you want, you can make it to a natural finish by using a makeup sponge, and if you like that full coverage vibe, then you can go ahead and use a brush. Fourth thing is that this has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid that will make your skin keep moisturized, hydrated throughout the day, as long as you are wearing this foundation. So if you are wearing this foundation for 12 hours, you will not have any such issue, because this has goodness of hyaluronic and vitamin E in it. Nowadays we love all the makeup products that should be transfer proof, because we wear masks and we don't want our product to transfer to our mask, because that way it is little bit unhygienic. So this foundation serves that purpose also. It is mask proof and transfer proof. Now talking about the heat, water and humidity resistant, while we have still not entered the very humid summer days in Mumbai, so I think that will come to a test when I will wear it during a very hot and humid summer days. So I will just give you guys an update about it very soon once I try out during that time. Next thing is, you can wear this foundation for 25 hours and it will still give you that very nice even toned skin. I will not wear a foundation for 25 hours. For me, 8 to 10 hours is max I can pull off any foundation, because they have claimed, so maybe there can be chances that it will last very long time. The one and only drawback about this foundation is the shade range. So 410 and 500 was both meant for tan skin with warm undertones. 410 latte would have been really light for my skin tone as far as I think, and a 500 toffee is dark than my skin tone. I would have appreciated if brand would have included an in-between shade, so that way it could have balanced it out. Alright you guys, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys found this content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell button button just besides the subscribe button so that you are notified about my future uploads, because nowadays I upload every new video twice a week. Also, please don't forget to share it amongst your friends and family. I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.